Good morning, friends. I welcome to all of you to my biology channel. Myself, Dr. Abbas Nalode, retired professor of botany. We have started with the principles of inheritance and variation. In the previous videos, in the today's video, we are going to proceed toward the genetic disorders. Genetic disorders, these are classified into two categories: Mendelian disorders and chromosomal disorders. Mendelian disorders means disorders caused due to gene mutations. Mendelian disorders, these are called by gene mutation. Mutation means change in the structure of a gene. This leads to change in the character. If there is a change in the structure of a gene, there is a change in the character or the change in the phenotypic character. Here, Mendelian disorders, these are caused due to gene mutations. And examples of these are thalassemia, sickle cell anemia, color blindness, hemophilia, and phenylketonuria. Here we are going to see the few examples from these genetic disorders. These are the disorders classified into two categories: Mendelian disorders and chromosomal disorders. Mendelian disorders, these are caused due to gene mutations. Gene is mutated, there is a change in the structure of a gene. That's why there is a change in the function of a gene. The examples of this category are thalassemia, sickle cell anemia, color blindness, hemophilia, and phenylketonuria. So these are the Mendelian disorders. Now we shall proceed towards the chromosomal disorders in brief. Chromosomal disorders, these are caused due to absence or excess of one or more chromosomes. If one or more chromosomes are added in the genome, or one or more chromosomes are deleted, or one or more chromosomes are absent. For example, twice n is equal to 46 in the human being. Sometimes there is twice n is equal to 47. Sometimes there is twice n is equal to 45. Means in this example, you can see that one chromosome is added. In this example, one chromosome is less, or there is absence of one chromosome. Normal chromosome number, it is twice n is equal to 46, and here when one chromosome is added, 46, 7 are formed. One chromosome is less in this normal, chromosome number is twice n is equal to 45. So because of this addition or deletion we cannot say deletion, in presence of excess of chromosome or in absence of chromosome, these abnormalities or these disorders are caused, and these are called chromosomal disorders. So chromosomal disorders are caused absence or excess of one or more chromosomes. Examples are Down's syndrome, Turner's syndrome, and Klinefelter's syndrome. We are going to see the details of this afterwards. But at present, remember that such chromosomal disorders are caused due to excess of chromosome or absence of one or more chromosomes. Then we shall see the Mendelian disorders, or disorders caused due to mutation, gene mutation. First example is thalassemia. Thalassemia, this is autosomal inherited recessive disease. Autosomal means genes which are present on the autosomes. Autosomes means these are the chromosomes which are containing genes responsible for body characters. Here there is a recessive gene on these autosomes. There is a recessive gene, and because of this recessive gene, this thalassemia disorder is caused. We shall see the example of this one. Hemoglobin. Hemoglobin molecule, it consists of, or it is made up of 4 polypeptide chains. 4 polypeptide chains. Out of these 4 polypeptide chains, 2 are alpha chains and 2 are beta chains. hemoglobin molecule, it is made up of 4 polypeptide chains. Out of these 4, 2 are alpha chains and 2 are beta chains. Synthesis of alpha chains, this is controlled by HBA1 and HBA2 genes. These are responsible for the synthesis of these 2 alpha chains. And these genes are present on the chromosome number 16. These genes, HBA1 and HBA2, these are present on the chromosome number 16. Synthesis of beta chains, it is controlled by a single gene, HBB. So both the chains, their synthesis of these 2 beta chains, this is regulated by HBB genes, and these genes are present on the chromosome number 11. These genes are present on the chromosome number 16. These are present on the chromosome number 1. You see it once again. Hemoglobin molecule, it is made up of 4 polypeptide chains, 2 alpha and 2 beta. Synthesis of 2 alpha chains is controlled by HBA1 and HBA2 genes. These genes are present on the chromosome number 16. 2 beta chains, their synthesis is controlled by HBB genes, and these genes are present on the chromosome number 11. Then we shall see what happens afterwards. Depending upon which chain of hemoglobin is affected, thalassemia is classified into two categories. Just now we have seen that there are 2 alpha chains, there are 2 beta chains. If suppose these chains are affected, if alpha chains are affected, this is called as alpha thalassemia. If beta chains are affected, this is called beta thalassemia. Depending upon which chains of hemoglobin these are affected, thalassemia is classified into alpha thalassemia and beta thalassemia. If suppose alpha chains are affected, this is alpha thalassemia. If beta chains are affected, this is called beta thalassemia. It is caused due to deletion or mutation of a gene which codes for alpha and beta globin chains. We shall see the meaning of this one. HBA1, HBA2. These are the genes responsible for synthesis of alpha chains. Then HBB. These genes are responsible for the synthesis of beta chains. If suppose there is a change in the structure of HBA1 or HBA2, these are the genes. If there is a change in the structure of these genes, alpha chains are affected. Synthesis of alpha chains is affected. Their structure is affected. If suppose there is a mutation, there is a change means there is a mutation in the HBB gene, this biosynthesis of these beta chains is affected, and this is called as beta thalassemia. If alpha chains are affected, alpha thalassemia. If beta chains are affected, beta thalassemia. So mutation of gene which codes for alpha and beta globin chains that results in the abnormal synthesis of globin. Suppose if there is a mutation in the HBA1 and HBA2, the structure of alpha chains is affected. Structure of alpha chains is, we can see that there is a change in the structure of alpha chains, and as there is a change in the structure of alpha chains, there is a change in the structure of hemoglobin. If suppose there is a mutation in the HBB gene, there is a change in the structure of beta chains, means there is a change in the structure of hemoglobin. This is caused due to mutation of a gene which codes for alpha and beta globin chains, and this results in the abnormal synthesis of hemoglobin. There is a change in the structure of gene, there is a change in the alpha chains, there is a change in the beta chains. As there is a change in the beta chains, the normal hemoglobin is not produced. Abnormal hemoglobin is produced. In thalassemia, person shows, then which are the symptoms of thalassemia? These symptoms are anemia, pale yellow skin, change in the size and shape of RBCs, slow growth of organism, and development, growth and development, and dark urine. These are the characters of thalassemia. If the person having this thalassemia disorder, it has anemia, pale yellow skin, change in the size and shape of RBCs, slow growth and development, and urine is dark. So these are the symptoms of this thalassemia. Then there is a massive blood drive for this person. The person who is affected or the person containing thalassemia disorder has to be given the blood regularly, or massive blood transfusion is needed to these patients. Means again and again blood should be given. Thalassemia differs from sickle cell anemia. In case of sickle cell anemia, what happens? There is a formation of sickle shaped RBCs. Thalassemia differs from sickle cell anemia. Then we shall see. Thalassemia, it is a qualitative problem. Thalassemia, it is a qualitative problem of synthesizing proglobin molecules. It means that there is a change in the structure of hemoglobin. So it is a qualitative problem. In the case of sickle cell anemia, it is a quantitative problem. Sometimes a question may be asked, which is a qualitative and which is a quantitative problem. So here, thalassemia is a qualitative problem, and sickle cell anemia, it is a quantitative problem of synthesizing an incorrectly functional globin. Now we shall proceed towards the chromosomal disorders. Just now, I have told you, if there is a addition of chromosome, if there is a deletion of chromosome, or if there is a less chromosome, if there is excess chromosome, these abnormalities are produced. These are called chromosomal disorders. The first chromosomal disorder, this is called as Down syndrome. This is called as Mongolism. And this is 21st trisomy. Then I shall tell you what is this. Down syndrome is named after the physician John Langdon Down, who first discovered this chromosomal disorder in the year 1866. This chromosomal disorder was discovered by John Langdon Down, who described this chromosomal disorder in the year 1866. This disorder is caused due to the presence of an additional copy of chromosome number 21. 21 numbers of chromosome एक जास्त है. This shows 3 copies of 21st chromosome. म्हणजे 21वा जो क्रोमोझोम आहे त्याची एक कॉपी जास्त आहे. रेग्युलर मध्ये 2 कॉपीज असतात, पेअर मध्ये असतात ते. तर त्याच्यामध्ये 21वा क्रोमोझोम एक ॲडिशनल आहे किंवा जादा आहे, त्यामुळे ही डिसऑर्डर तुम्हाला आढळेल. आता या ठिकाणी पहा. Here you can see this is a first pair of chromosomes. You can see here there are 22 pairs of autosomes in the human being and 1 pair of sex chromosomes. First pair, second pair in this way. You can see here 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21. आता 21 ची जी पेयर आहे याच्यामध्ये एक ॲडिशनल क्रोमोझोम तसाच पण एक जादा, तसाच परंतु एक जादा क्रोमोझोम आहे. अँड दॅट्स वाय ही या ठिकाणी काय होणार, क्रोमोझोम नंबर इज ट्वाइस एन इज इक्वल टू 47. हा 22वा आहे तसाच आहे, 20वा आहे तसाच आहे, पण 21 मध्ये एक क्रोमोझोम ॲड झाला. बाकी जर फिमेल असेल तर XX, मेल असेल तर YY, XY, त्याचा काय प्रॉब्लेम नाही. परंतु 21st क्रोमोझोम यू कॅन सी दॅट देयर इज ए ॲडिशनल कॉपी ऑफ 21st क्रोमोझोम. आता याला ट्रायसोमी का म्हणायचं, तर या ठिकाणी हा जो क्रोमोझोम आहे किती वेळा रिप्रेझेंट होतो, 1, 2 आणि 3. 1, 2 आणि 3. So it is represented 3 times. That's why this is called as trisomy. So this shows 3 copies of 21st chromosome instead of homologous pair. Homologous pair म्हणजे 2 क्रोमोझोमची homologous pair. तर या ठिकाणी एक ॲडिशनल क्रोमोझोम आहे, and because of this दिस टाईप ऑफ डिसऑर्डर अकर्स. तर याच्यामध्ये सिम्पटम्स काय, ज्या ऑर्गॅनिझममध्ये ऑर्गॅनिझम हॅव्हिंग दिस टाईप ऑफ डिसऑर्डर, म्हणजे 21वा ज्या ऑर्गॅनिझममध्ये 21वा क्रोमोझोम ज्याला आहे, तर त्याच्यामध्ये सिम्पटम्स काय दिसतात. दीज इंडिव्हिज्युअल्स हॅव 27 क्रोमोझोम्स इन्स्टेड ऑफ 26. नॉर्मलमध्ये 46 असतात. नॉर्मलमध्ये 46 आहे, पण या ऑर्गॅनिझममध्ये या डिसऑर्डरमध्ये 47 क्रोमोझोम्स तुम्हाला आढळते. 21st ट्रायसोमी ऑकर्स ड्यू टू नॉन डिसजंक्शन ऑर फेल्युअर ऑफ सेपरेशन ऑफ क्रोमोझोम्स. ज्या वेळेला मियोसिस होतं त्यावेळेला क्रोमोझोमचं सेपरेशन होतं. हाफ ऑफ द क्रोमोझोम्स गो टू वन गॅमिट, हाफ ऑफ द क्रोमोझोम्स गो टू अनदर गॅमिट. ज्या वेळेला हे सेपरेशन होतं त्यावेळेला अशा प्रकारची अबनॉर्मॅलिटी आढळते. दी इन्सिडन्स ऑफ नॉन डिसजंक्शन इज डिस्टिंक्टली हायर इन मदर्स हु आर ओव्हर 45 years. मदर्स हु आर ओव्हर 45 years, ज्या मदरचं एज 45च्या पेक्षा जास्त आहे, अशा मदर्समध्ये अशा प्रकारचे प्रॉब्लेम्स आढळतात. सिम्पटम्स ऑफ डाऊन सिंड्रोम. तर या ऑर्गॅनिझममध्ये कोणकोणत्या प्रकारचे सिम्पटम्स आढळतात. माइल्ड ऑर मॉडरेट मेंटल रिटार्डेशन. मेंटली बौद्धिकदृष्ट्या ते रिटार्ड असतात, मंदबुद्धी असते. पुअर स्केलेटल डेव्हलपमेंट. स्केलेटन जे आहे ते पुअर डेव्हलप झालेलं असतं. इट इज हॅव्हिंग स्मॉल हेड, इयर्स अँड माउथ. म्हणजे माउथ, इयर्स आणि हेड हे लहान असतात. फेस इज राऊंड विथ फ्लॅट नोज. नोज इज फ्लॅट. देन परमनंटली ओपन माउथ. माउथ हे नेहमी उघडलेलं असतं, ओपन असतं. प्रोट्रुडिंग टंग, जीभ बाहेर आलेली असते. आईज प्रोजेक्टिंग लोअर लिप अँड शॉर्ट नेक. त्याचं नेक आहे ते शॉर्ट असतं. हे जे आहे ते त्याचे उंची किंवा त्याची लांबी कमी असते. फ्लॅट हँड्स. दीज हँड्स आर फ्लॅट. फिंगर्स आर स्मॉल विथ मेनी लूप्स ऑन जिंजर टिप्स अँड पाम इज ब्रॉड. हे जे पाम आहे हे ब्रॉड असतं. दीज आर द सिम्पटम्स ऑफ डाऊन सिंड्रोम. मेंटल रिटार्डेशन, पुअर स्केलेटल डेव्हलपमेंट, head is small, ears are small, mouth is small, face is round with flat, nose is flat. No, the mouth is permanently open, tongue is always outside protruding. Hands are flat, small fingers. These are the different symptoms of Down syndrome. Then another type of disorder, this is known as टर्नर्स सिंड्रोम. आता या ठिकाणी एक क्रोमोझोम जास्त होता. ट्वाइस इज इक्वल टू 47. बिकॉज ऑफ द एडिशन ऑफ वन क्रोमोझोम दिस डाउन सिंड्रोम is produced. Turner's syndrome. In this Turner's syndrome, there is X monosomy or X0 female. आता या ठिकाणी काय आहे, फिमेलमध्ये काय असतं, देर आर टू सेक्स क्रोमोझोम. मेलमध्ये काय असतं, एक एक्स आणि एक वाय असतं. इन धिस केस यू कॅन सी दॅट या ठिकाणी इन्स्टेड ऑफ टू एक्स क्रोमोझोम्स इन द फिमेल देर इज X0, म्हणजे एकच एक्स क्रोमोझोम असतो. या ठिकाणी एकच एक्स क्रोमोझोम आहे. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज एक्स मोनोसोमी. सेक्स क्रोमोझोमल डिसऑर्डर दिस कॉज ड्यू टू नॉन डिसजंक्शन ऑफ क्रोमोझोम ड्युरिंग गॅमेट फॉर्मेशन. ज्या वेळेला गॅमेट्स तयार होतात त्यावेळेला सेपरेशन व्यवस्थित होत नाही, त्यामुळे अशा प्रकारची डिसऑर्डर तुम्हाला आढळेल. इंडिव्हिज्युअल्स बॉर्न विथ टर्नर्स सिंड्रोम हॅज 44 ऑटोझोम्स विथ X0. आता नेहमी काय असतं, 44 ऑटोझोम्स असतात प्लस XX किंवा 44 प्लस XY. जर फिमेल असेल तर 44 प्लस XX, मेल असेल तर 44 प्लस XY. परंतु या टर्नर्स सिंड्रोममध्ये 44 ऑटोझोम्स प्लस X0, म्हणजे या ठिकाणी एकच एक्स क्रोमोझोम आहे, एक एक्स क्रोमोझोम या ठिकाणी कमी असतो. सो इंडिव्हिज्युअल्स बॉर्न विथ टर्नर सिंड्रोम इट हॅज 44 ऑटोझोम्स विथ X0. दे आर फिनोटायपिकली फिमेल. ते फिमेल सारखे दिसतात, कारण या ठिकाणी वाय क्रोमोझोम नाही, एक्स क्रोमोझोम आहे, दुसरा एक्स नाही. तरी सुद्धा दीज आर looking like a female. So these are phenotypically female. But such females are sterile and ovaries are rudimentary. म्हणजे त्याच्या ओव्हरीज जे आहेत त्या फंक्शनलेस असतात, ते फंक्शन करत नाही. these are rudimentary म्हणजे अतिशय कमी डेव्हलप झालेले असतात. and these females they are sterile. they are not producing the fertile egg. ते fertile egg तयार करू शकत नाही. that's why these females are sterile. This disorder is caused due to monosomy. Monosomy, that is twice n minus 1. In this case you can see that हे झालं तर twice n. आता twice n मध्ये is equal to 44 plus 2 असं असतं. पण या ठिकाणी काय होतं, एक क्रोमोझोम कमी आहे, एक that is twice n minus 1. या ठिकाणी दोन XX असायला पाहिजे, परंतु एकच X आहे. सो दिस इज twice n minus 1. This is called as monosomy. Its frequency is very less. Once in 3,000 organisms or once in 3,000 female births. म्हणजे जेवढ्या मुलींचा जन्म झाला त्याच्यातल्या 3,000 मुलींपैकी एका मुलीमध्ये अशा प्रकारची अबनॉर्मॅलिटी तुम्हाला आढळेल. अशा प्रकारची अबनॉर्मॅलिटी काय येते तर त्यांच्यामध्ये एक एक्स क्रोमोझोम कमी असतो. 2 एक्स क्रोमोझोम असायला पाहिजे, 44 प्लस XX असायला पाहिजे, परंतु त्याच्यामध्ये एक एक्स क्रोमोझोम हा कमी असतो आणि त्यामुळं अशा प्रकारच्या अबनॉर्मॅलिटीज त्याच्यामध्ये आढळतात. देन सिम्पटम्स, लक्षण काय आहेत. Here you can see symptoms of Turner syndrome. Short stature, height is less than 5 feet. म्हणजे त्यांची उंची कमी असते, त्यांचं शॉर्ट स्ट्रक्चर असतं किंवा शॉर्ट स्टेचर असतं. वेब्ड नेक, ही जी नेक आहे तर त्याला वेब्स असतात अशा. लोअर पोस्टिरियर हेअरलाइन, अनडेव्हलप्ड ब्रिस्ट mammary glands are less developed. Small uterus is small. Broad shield shaped chest and low intelligence. The organism who is suffering from this Turner syndrome disorder, you can see that there is a short stature. The organism हा लहान असतो, neck webbed आहे, lower posterior hairline असते, breast mammary glands कमी डेव्हलप झालेले असतात, uterus is small, broad shield shaped chest, ही जी चेस्ट आहे, छाती जी आहे ती ब्रॉड आणि शिल्ड शेप्ड म्हणजे ढालीसारखी असते आणि इंटेलिजन्स इज लेस. These are the symptoms of Turner syndrome. Then we shall proceed towards the Klinefelter syndrome. This syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome, this is XXY males. आता मेल मध्ये काय असतात, एक्स आणि वाय. दिस इज अ नॉर्मल मेल. परंतु या ठिकाणी XXY म्हणजे काय झालं, 1 क्रोमोझोम इज ॲडेड, 1 सेक्स क्रोमोझोम or 1 X chromosome is added. Here, this is a trisomy. आपण पाहिलं की this is a trisomy of X chromosome. This chromosomal disorder is caused due to extra X chromosome in the male. मेल मध्ये एकच X असायला पाहिजे, परंतु या ठिकाणी 2 X आहेत. So there is an extra X chromosome in the male. The genotype of individual is 44 ऑटोसोम्स असतात, परंतु एक X आणि एकच Y असायला पाहिजे नॉर्मल मध्ये, परंतु या ठिकाणी 44 प्लस XXY means there is addition of 1 X chromosome. There is addition of 1 X chromosome. As there is a Y chromosome, these organisms are males, but these are not normal males. It is formed by the union of abnormal egg. आता हे कसे तयार होतं, समजा हे फिमेल गॅमेट आहे. फिमेल गॅमेट नेहमी this contains 1 X chromosome. Male gamete contains 1 Y chromosome. This is a normal case. If these are united, there is formation of XY. This is the normal example. But sometimes, during the process of meiosis, abnormal female gamete is produced. This contains 2X. Abnormality हे नॉर्मल मध्ये नाही, तर याच्यामध्ये एक X क्रोमोझोम असण्याऐवजी 2 X क्रोमोझोम असतात आणि हा Y हा नॉर्मल मेल गॅमेट आहे. If these are fused together, there is formation of XXY. Y. So it is formed by the union of abnormal XX egg and normal Y sperm. There is formation of XXY. It can also be formed by union of normal egg and abnormal sperm. काही वेळेला abnormality आहे, रेग्युलॅरिटी नाही, नॉर्मल हे नाही. समटाइम्स egg and sperm. This egg or this female gamete contains X chromosome, normal, but this sperm must have Y chromosome, but it contains sometimes X1, Y both chromosomes. These are the abnormal sperms. These are the normal eggs. When these are fused together, there is formation of XXY organism. This is the abnormal organism. This is called Klinefelter syndrome or XXY males. Then we tell you what are the symptoms of this organism. Individuals, these are males. त्या ठिकाणी Y क्रोमोझोम आहे म्हणजे the organisms are males with underdeveloped testes. सेक्स ऑर्गन्स हे कमी डेव्हलप, टेस्टिस ह्या कमी डेव्हलप झालेल्या असतात. These are less developed. While speech is harsh, त्याचा आवाज हार्श असतो. They are tall with the longer arms, ते उंच असतात. And arms are longer. Feminine development of breast, तर त्यांच्यामध्ये ब्रिस्ट डेव्हलपमेंट आढळेल. मॅमरी ग्लँडची थोडी त्या ठिकाणी डेव्हलपमेंट झालेली असते. And no spermatogenesis, sperms are not produced. Therefore, they are sterile males. They are not forming the sperms. That's why they are sterile males. They are mentally retarded. त्याचा बुद्ध्यांक कमी असतो. These are mentally retarded. The symptoms of Klinefelter syndrome are individuals are male because they are containing Y chromosome. They are having underdeveloped testes. त्याच्या ज्या टेस्टिस असतात, ज्या ठिकाणी स्पर्म्स तयार होतात, रिप्रोडक्टिव्ह ऑर्गन्स असतात, these are less developed or underdeveloped. त्याची डेव्हलपमेंट कमी असते. While speech is harsh, आवाज मोठा असतो. They are tall with the long arms, उंच असतात आणि आर्म्स लॉंगर असतात. Feminine development, there is a development of breast, mammary glandsची डेव्हलपमेंट थोडी झालेली असते. There is no spermatogenesis, sperms are not formed. That's why they are sterile. They are sterile males and they are mentally retarded, or there is a mental retardation. Here, these are the chromosomal disorders: Down syndrome, Turner syndrome, and Klinefelter syndrome. Here, मित्रो, आपण हा जो चॅप्टर आहे, प्रिन्सिपल्स ऑफ इनहेरिटन्स अँड व्हेरिएशन, या ठिकाणी पूर्ण झालेला आहे. तुम्हाला जर हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल, हे लेक्चर आवडलं असेल, तर कृपया लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि सबस्क्राईब करा. धन्यवाद.